We are going to make some giant polygons using hexagons only. So now it's a polygon with 12 edges. Add another one. To get one with 18 edges. That's what we have now. Add another one to get a polygon with 24 edges. That's what we have now. We have one with 30 edges, and you can close it at the back to get a nice pentagonal structure. Now what you can do is put it down and then bring all 5 of them together in symmetry. Connect them like this, and then you can squeeze it all together and it turns into this one. Now this one can, again, when you open these and connect those, then this one can be obtained. Now let's get back to this configuration. There is a 4th configuration that is possible by opening these, joining those, at this point you need to open those. And now this is a very interesting configuration, because you have a big hole inside, and when you make it larger and larger and larger, you can end up making it really big. So let's go for that. So we have seen 4 configurations pentagonal with 30 edges. The one is the asterisk, and this one has the sinus. Very nice. And then this one has the big hole, but it is rather useless at this moment. So let's get back to this one. open this, add another hexagon, it's important to keep everything apart. Something has gone wrong a little there. Should still be fixable. Now we can still join this together, so you get a nice one like this, which can also be turned into this, but this is quite difficult to make, so let's skip that. Also, when you join those, you can get to the same thing with the big hole, but let's skip that also, and add hexagon number 7. So we just had polygon with 36 edges, and now we're going to 42. And when you try to join those into spider position, then you'll find that in the center you cannot make a complete heptagon, so you'll have to split it into 3 and 4. And it's almost like a smiley. Well, anyway, from 7 you can go to 8 and make a spider with 8 legs, which is possible, but we're not going to do that. Right now, best thing to do is to join those and to open up the whole thing. Best thing to do is to make 3 touch everywhere. So now we have 7 times 6, that's 42, and we go to 48 now. So just check polarity, turn it over, that's the right one. Now you can open this you have this big hole there. You open it, add another hexagon, shift it a little, open this up, and now we have a polygon with 48 edges. You can continue to build in the same way. So now it has been made with 3 extra hexagons, and now it is a polygon with 66 edges. And everywhere I try to open it with, or I have these closed with 2 only, so that some extra space becomes available to put it around the wrist. Now, carefully close them all. And in principle you can continue to add hexagons. This one is with 11 and this one is with 18 hexagons. 6 times 18 is 108, so that means that this one has 108 edges, this polygon. And what is interesting is that you can put it in a sort of 8 formation, and that shows that it is flexible enough to make it as large as you like.